Hi, my name is Owain. I am a management master's student. Well, I'm fairly unique in that I originally started volunteering for selfish reasons. I simply wanted to get it on my CV. I've since then really enjoyed myself in Discovery. One of my favourite things to volunteer with is working with some of the supported adults. So that's doing projects like sporting stuff. I did yoga last year, and that was really fun because that was really interacting with people. And that's one of my favourite things, is interacting with the community. I think it's given me a really big boost to my self-confidence, especially my public speaking skills. Like, I couldn't talk to in camera now when I originally started, but yeah, it's really filled me with a sense of joy as well, just to help the community. What I like most about Discovery is the effort the staff put in and how they really make it special for both the service users and the volunteers. I'd recommend the more you put in, the more you get out with Discovery. By volunteering, you really get to engage with the community, you really gain personal growth. Mostly you gain a ton of friends, really. It's like one big happy family, I find. And that's really what makes Discovery special to me.